Welcome to Saxon Math Lesson 13A. Make sure on your paper you're looking at the side that says 13A because that's the side I'm going to go over with you. And I'm going to write the answers right here on the board and we'll try to see them as best we can here. Okay, so number 1 says, use the class birthday graph to answer these questions. Now I can see it from where I'm at. You can't see it, but you'll just have to trust me that I'm going to give you the right answer here. Okay, now it says, how many children have birthdays in November? And so I can see all the months across there, and I can see November, and I have 2 birthdays in November. Now, I can't see who they are from here because I don't have my glasses on, but I can see that I have 2. So for that top one on number 1, you're going to write a 2. Okay? And I don't think we need our birthday graph for this one because it says, what is the 3rd month of the year? So we could tell our months, couldn't we? January, February, March. And we're going to write March. And remember, March starts with a capital M. A-R-C-H. Sorry if you can't see. I'll try to move you closer. Okay? The next one says, how many children have birthdays in that month? Oh, okay, so we're going back up to that question before. Okay, and I'm looking, and there are 0 birthdays in March for our class on our birthday graph. So you're going to have a 0 in that blank. Okay, number 2 gives us several numbers in a row here. Oh, whoops. We've got 25, we've got 34, we've got 22, we've got 27, 23, and 29. So we've got numbers all the way across the page here. It gives us some instructions. It says, circle the number that is 1 less than 24. So think about having your 100 number chart there. Think about putting your finger on 24. What would be 1 less than 24? It'd be 23, wouldn't it? Then it says, underline the number that is 1 more than 28. So think about putting your finger on 28. What's 1 more than 28? 29 is. Okay, then they've got some teddy bears. And I'm not going to draw teddy bears, but I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because they've got 5 teddy bears, okay? So pretend in your mind like my numbers that I wrote here are teddy bears. So it says, it is not on the left. So I'm thinking, the left side, all the way to the left would be number 1. So I'm marking out number 1 there. It is not in the middle. Well, let's see. Number 3 is in the middle of these numbers, so I'm going to mark him out. It is not 4th. So I'm going to mark out the 4. It is not 2nd. So I'm going to mark out the 2. And then it says, circle my favorite bear. Well, the only one left is that lonely number 5 there. Okay. Ooh, next you've got a clock. And it's blank. It's blank. Okay, so the way that we number a clock face is I always start with the 12, the 6, the 3, and the 9. Okay? And then I fill out these other numbers in between. Okay, but wait, there's more. It's telling me to show 2 o'clock on the clock. So to show 2 o'clock, I want the hour hand at the 2 and the minute hand at the 12. And that shows 2 o'clock. Now they want me to choose all the even numbers. Now the thing about even numbers is they have to be able to be split into equal groups. Equal groups, okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 10 on top. 8, 9, 10. And then on the bottom we've got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sorry, not a lot of room. So equal groups. I can split 2 into equal groups, 1 plus 1. I can split 4 into equal groups, 2 plus 2. Sounds like our doubles, doesn't it? I can split 6 into equal groups, 3 plus 3. I can split 8 into equal groups, 4 plus 4. I can split 10 into equal groups, 5 plus 5. I can split 12 into equal groups, 6 plus 6. I can split 14 into equal groups, 7 plus 7. I can split 16 into equal groups, 8 plus 8. I can split 18 into equal groups, 9 plus 9. And I can split 20 into equal groups, 10 plus 10. Okay, I know that was kind of fast. We're used to doing it together, so it might be a little faster than what you're used to. Feel free to pause it or watch it again if you need to. Thank you.